Hey guys, it's Dimitri here, and I'm back today to talk to you about when it is safe to start jogging after an ACL surgery and what your progression from walking to jogging might look like. So typically, after an ACL surgery, it's safe to start jogging 12 weeks after the surgery, but there are a few requirements you have to meet by then. First, your operated knee needs to be able to bend and straighten as much as your non-operated knee. You also, by this point, need to have very little knee pain or swelling, and it's really important that you're able to walk quickly without a limp. You also need to be able to walk for 20 minutes without increasing knee swelling or knee pain. Also, by this point, you should have started doing squats and lunges to help strengthen those muscles in your legs. You can find more information about the progression from walking to jogging on our Curovate app or through our blog. Please check it out. See you guys next time.